Understanding database. Let us understand what is the database. To understand what is database, you must know what is information, what is data, and differentiation between data and information. Let us see what is information. Let's take an example. 10th class has boys 30 and girls 20. In general terms, this is an information that so and so class having so and so number of boys and so number of girls. This is an information about 9th class boys and girls. Similarly, this is the 8th class information, and this is the 7th class information. For example, your school has many classes and each class has boys and girls. Let's take boys and girls number of each class. By seeing this information, how do you say which class girls are more than boys? Or else, what is the total number of girls and boys? These are different queries for the given information. To answer the queries related to above information is only easy when you organize the information in table format. Here I am going to organize this information in a tabular format. Let us see how. The information belongs to class, boys and girls. So here I am preparing 3 columns for the table. Class is for one column, boys is for second column, and girls is for third column. Under the class column, I am going to take the class name. Under boys column, I am going to take boys of that class. Under girls column, I am going to take girls number of that class. This is the class 9th. Boys of class 9th 25. Here I am taking this. And girls of class 9th is also 25. Similarly, class 8th details, and these are class 7th details. What is data? Here the table formatted content is the data. Example 10th, 30, 20. And the information for this data is 10th class has boys 30 and girls 20. Let us understand this in definition format. What is data? A collection of facts made up of text, numbers, images, and sound. Example for text and numbers data is 10, 30, 20. What is information? When data is processed for some meaning, it becomes information. Example, if the data is 10, 30, 20, then the information may be 10th class boys are 30 and girls are 20. Now let us understand what is data processing. To understand by human, the data to be converted as information. The process of converting data into information is called as data processing. 10, 30, 20 is the data. The 10th class boys are 30 and girls are 20 is the information. We know what is data processing. Now let us see what is involved in data processing. Data processing involved the following operations: data collection, data manipulation, and information management. Let us see one by one. Data collection. Data collection is collecting the details from a source. For example, you want to create an address book of your friends and relatives. First of all, collect the details, that is data of them. Here I am framing the data collection in table format. Name, relation, address, phone and email. This is my data collection. My first record is Ajay, a relation with me as a friend, address, phone number, and this is email. Data manipulation. After a collection of data, it needs manipulation to produce proper information. Here I am modifying the collected data. Data can be manipulated for classification. Data can be classified into different categories. Example, data related to friends and data related to relatives, etc. Sorting. Data can be arranged in an order like ascending order or descending order. See, this is ascending order. This is descending order of the data. You need to manipulate the data for calculations also. You can perform different calculations with the data. That's about data manipulation. Now let us see information management. This is the data and this is computer. As we know, computer is an electronic data processing device. It processes the data to give the information.